Welcome to our beginner's English class. Today we're going to talk about fire safety.
It is only when we lack focus that we regret our actions.
Let's see what's special today. Oh no, I've made a mistake. Look, I'm about to beat you, Anna. Not a chance, Tom. See? Tom, are you hungry? When are Mom and Dad coming home? I'm so hungry. How about we make something ourselves? Let me see what's in the refrigerator. Let's grill some steak together. I'm gonna turn the stove on high. The faster, the better. I'm gonna get some water. Anna, please watch the pan for me. Oh, look at this funny cat video. Tom! Help me! The kitchen is on fire! Here's the water. No! Don't use water. It will make things worse. Oh no! Things are getting worse. What should we do?
You kids love the pizza here, don't you?
Yes, you'll love it.
Mom!
Okay, children,
There's a fire in the kitchen!
calm down. Mom and Dad will be home right away.
We're so scared!
This isn't good. Our kitchen is on fire. The two children are terrified.
Okay, I'll drive home quickly. There they are.
Oh, thank God.
We found you. Are you all right?
Mommy! Daddy!
It's all right, kids. Mom and Dad are here.
Stay here with the kids, but I'll go deal with the fire. Tom, Anna, do you know that fire is very dangerous?
What have you done?
I'm sorry. I was too engrossed in my phone. We're really sorry. We didn't mean to.
Kitchen safety is no joke, kids. It's very dangerous.
Let's sit down and talk about what happened.
We were feeling a little hungry, so we turned on the stove and started cooking. Then I left the kitchen. Tom told me to watch, but I was too busy on my phone and everything went wrong.
We've made a mistake, so let's fix it together. Let's clean up the kitchen together.
Now let's learn how to use a knife safely. Well, with this basket of apples.
Mom, I don't know how to hold a knife. Can you teach me?
You have to peel it slowly, like this.
I know, Mom.
Okay, keep practicing.
Cooking is really hard work. Luckily, Mom and Dad came home in time. Otherwise, we wouldn't know what to do.
Tomorrow, I'm going to take you two to a fire safety lesson at the fire station.
That's great.
What do you think?
That's great. We can learn how to handle fire.
Okay, let's eat so we have energy for school tomorrow, children.
Yes, Mom. I'm really looking forward to today's fire safety lesson. Oh, and I should see how prepared Tom is. Tom, are you awake yet, Tom? Wake up, Tom. We're going to be late for fire safety class. What kind of lesson? Oh, right. The lesson at the fire station. Dad, we're ready!
Okay, let's go, kids. Today, we will learn from real heroes, my children.
Wow! That's a fire truck, everyone! This is the coolest truck I've ever seen.
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to learn about fire prevention and firefighting. Follow me.
We wear this to protect ourselves from the heat in the fire.
It's so heavy. Being a firefighter must be tough.
So remember, children, never play with matches or lighters.
If you see smoke, crouch low and move.
Do you want to try it? Sounds good! We want to try practicing too. Like this? Bend low under the smoke. It seems we need more practice.
Remember PASS. Pull, aim, squeeze, sweep.
Do you understand, children?
Yes, we understand. I want to practice using it. I think I need you to teach me how to use it properly again, sir. Do you think my drawing of Anna is pretty? Oh, I didn't even recognize him. Oh no, it's on fire! It's on fire! There's a burning trash can over there. It's dangerous. I think we have to act before it's too late. Friends, quickly get away from that trash can. It's on fire! Luckily, Tom put out the fire in time. He did it!
What's wrong, children? Is anyone hurt?
Luckily, no one was hurt. It's all thanks to Tom and Anna for putting out the fire in time.
You two are very brave. You're both very good.
Yes, This is exactly what we needed to do.
What did you kids learn today?
Always ask an adult before lighting a fire or using a stove. And remember to dispose of trash and flammable materials in the designated places to avoid unwanted incidents.
Remember to prepare yourself with fire safety skills. Now, goodbye and see you again.